feeling? Are we good? How are the newbies doing? Are we acclimating? You feeling cool? So yeah, like I said, I'm Nick Jonas, and this is a really big time for me because I really miss performing without my brothers. Yeah, for those that don't know me, like this is a nice chance to kind of get to know each other, and by get to know each other, I mean it's a one-sided thing where I tell you about me and you have to listen. Not too weird. So here's the deal. So I'm kind of an odd duck. I do a lot of random shit. Glee was an amazing thing for me. Before that, I was working in Los Angeles and New York as a singer-songwriter. I used to play a lot of bars and restaurants. I was the guy on the piano, the guy on the guitar that you would yell "Wonderwall" at, and I'd be like, fine. So I kind of, my musical background runs the gamut. And what's so amazing is what Glee did for me, which I think did for a lot of us. What was that?
Wonderwall.
Wonderwall. Okay. No, you don't want it for Wonderwall. You get over it in like a minute, and you're like, oh, why did I ask for Wonderwall? It's like when you shout Freebird, and then they actually play like 9 minutes later, you're like, everyone wants to kill me. Unless you're Leonard Skinner. By the way, did anybody see them when they played here? That was the coolest shit. Anyway, so we did a lot of musical theater, and I love musical theater, man. I think it's so amazing. But I was always the guy, I was like in punk bands, I was in rock bands. I never thought I would ever do musical theater because that was for like the pros, you know, people with these amazing voices. And I just never thought that I would be inserted into that world. But the cool thing about Glee is it kind of expose a lot of people to a huge swath of music beside the musical theater. That last song was one of my favorite bands from Orange County, the Giants, and we got to do that on the show. But I don't know in what other realm where I would do that song, an alternative indie rock hit. In the same world, I would do this next song, which is kind of a musical theater, another standard, that